Now you're gonna see me even more money on my rental property. Console.
De nada, senor.
Oh, before I forget, I need to pay you.
As long as you're not trying to pay me in eggs or a goat.
Even better, cash money. Faz you turn around, depressa.
What?
So you don't see the combination to my safe. Come on, please, turn around, let's go.
Okay.
Okay. Beep, 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 boop, bop, beep. Oh, here we go. Let me close it. Okay, turn around.
You don't have to pay me.
Hey, sheet up your face and take my money.
I can't.
Why not?
Because your wife, she already paid us.
Ah. So no desconto if I pay cash?
No. Guess you have to put the envelope back under the couch, huh?
You know too much.